Number 4 is also going to use the law of sines, the same formula here, that a over sine of a equals b over sine of b equals c over sine of c. The difference here is that the angle is the part that's unknown. So I set up my proportion as 4.072 over the sine of 58.55 equals 2.742 over the sine of c. And then I'll cross multiply and divide here. Cross multiply and divide. And that should give me a decimal number between 0 and 1. All right, so if I take 2.742, multiply it by the sine of 58.55, and divide it by 4.072, I get 0.574. Now obviously 0.574 can't be the angle C, it's going to be much more than that. So what you really have here is an equation. You know now that the sine of C is equal to 0.574. And then to get the angle itself, we'll use the sine inverse of 0.574. And that's going to be 35 degrees. All right, once we know this is 35 degrees, then we can use the fact that the three angles have to sum to 180. So I'm going to type in equals 180 minus 58.55 minus 35, and that's 86.5 degrees for the third angle. One more proportion here. We'll go back to 4.072 over the sine of 58.55. And now I'm going to say that that's equal to A over the sine of 86.5. All right, so here we have the sine of 86.5 multiplied by 4.072 and divided by the sine of 58.55. And that gives me an answer of 4.76. And then this problem is done.